The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is generating buzz with its rumored advancements, setting the stage for a whole new level of performance. Expected to boast a larger screen, an enhanced 1-inch sensor, 4K video recording at 240 frames per second, and improved autofocus, this sleek device could redefine what portable cameras can do. Aimed at vloggers, travelers, and creators, the Pocket 4 promises to deliver cinematic quality video in a compact form, making it a must-have for those chasing the best in mobile video production. The design of the Pocket 4 is said to be one of its most noticeable upgrades. While it will retain its pocket-friendly form, the device's size is expected to increase slightly, tipping the scales at about 190 grams. This change could accommodate a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a step up from the Pocket 3's 2-inch display. The new screen is rumored to deliver a 480x800 resolution with an impressive 800 nits of brightness, making it perfect for those sunny outdoor shoots. This would also make framing your shots and navigating the menus a breeze. Plus, an improved button layout and a more ergonomic grip promise a more comfortable and stable shooting experience, even during those extended filming sessions. Under the hood, the Pocket 4 is expected to pack a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor, paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This combination should yield sharper, crisper image quality and better low-light performance. The camera's ISO range is speculated to go from 50 all the way up to 16,000, offering plenty of flexibility whether you're shooting video or stills in challenging lighting conditions. To top it off, color fidelity is set to improve with the inclusion of 10-bit color depth, DLOG-M, and HDR recording, giving creators greater flexibility when it comes to color grading and post-production. The autofocus system is another area seeing a significant upgrade. Rumors point to the introduction of phase detection and eye tracking capabilities, which would tackle focus hunting issues and provide smoother, more accurate tracking, even with moving subjects. A new processor is expected to help manage faster data rates, which will not only improve video quality, but also enable real-time HDR previews and computational photography. All of this should streamline workflows, making it easier for creators who need speed and precision. Smart features are a big focus for the Pocket 4. One standout improvement is the rumored Active Track 7.0, which could combine phase detection and eye tracking to deliver more accurate subject tracking. This would allow vloggers and action shooters to capture smooth footage of fast-moving subjects with reliable focus. Additionally, the gimbal stabilization system is expected to receive a major upgrade, blending mechanical stabilization with advanced electronic algorithms, delivering incredibly smooth footage, even during high-motion scenarios like sports or rapid pans. When it comes to video capabilities, the Pocket 4 is rumored to raise the bar with 4K video at 240 FPS, doubling the slow-motion capacity of its predecessor. The 1-inch sensor will provide sharper detail, better low-light performance, and a wider dynamic range. These upgrades position the Pocket 4 as the ultimate tool for creators who demand high-quality video with precision focus and fast workflows. Battery life and charging are crucial for any portable camera, and the Pocket 4 is expected to feature major improvements in this area. A more efficient power management system could lead to longer recording times, even with a larger screen and a more powerful processor. Fast charging is another anticipated upgrade, with reports suggesting the Pocket 4 will support a quick 25-minute full charge using DJI's PD charger, much faster than the Pocket 3's 32-minute charging time. While exact battery capacity details are still under wraps, the new model is expected to outperform the Pocket 3's $1,300 mAh battery. Improved heat management is also rumored to keep the camera cool during extended shoots, allowing creators to film for longer periods without worrying about overheating. With an expected launch date in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's typical 3-year release cycle, the Pocket 4 is rumored to be priced at $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator combo. While this marks a slight price increase compared to the Pocket 3, the enhanced features, including the larger screen, better stabilization, and superior image processing, position it as a premium tool for serious content creators. Of course, with all these details coming from leaks and rumors, we'll have to wait for DJI's official announcement to confirm them. But if even half of these rumored features come to life, the Pocket 4 could be a game changer for portable video production. What upgrades are you most excited about for the DJI Pocket 4? Let us know in the comments below.